Crab Stuffed Mushrooms. This is on the menu, folks, today. Brooklyn Brothers are going to show you how to make these fabulous crab stuffed portabella mushrooms. Chef Dominic had this recipe for a very long time, and these were a big seller when we were in the restaurant business. Anyway, let's get cooking.
All right. Okay, I'm going to start removing the stems out of these baby portabella mushrooms. Okay, I put about maybe 2 or 3 tablespoons of olive oil in our pan. We're going to let the oil get hot, and then we're going to saute the mushroom caps with a little bit of salt and pepper in there too, and some little white wine. You don't want to cook them too long, just for a few minutes, because we have to bake the stuffed mushrooms in the oven. Okay, the oil is hot now. I'm going to go ahead and just fry the caps in there for a couple of minutes. Put a little pepper in there. Salt.
You cook the mushrooms halfway before you're ready to bake them. And they absorb all of that olive oil flavor.
Okay, I'm going to put a little bit of white wine.
Well, that's a big bottle of wine. Oh, yeah. You folks didn't know you were going to get special effects. Smells good already. How long you let those cook for in that like that? About a minute or two?
Yeah, we're going to cook them maybe about 3 minutes. They're just about done. I think they're done.
Okay.
All right. So now, you want to let these cool before you stuff them, otherwise you'll burn your hands, your fingers. Anyway, we're going to make our crab meat stuffing and let these cool for a little bit.
Sounds good.
Some onions and celery together here. Okay, we got our onions cut. I'm gonna put add a little bit of garlic to that also. Gotta have garlic.
Yes,
everybody loves garlic.
Yes, sir.
So our celery here, you want to keep the pieces small because you have to stuff everything into the mushroom. So you can kind of like cut them in strips. And then you chop them up. I can remember stuffing cases of mushrooms with the crab meat stuffing.
This is not too bad.
This is easy. This is quick.
This is a piece of cake. That's why it's fun cooking at home. You don't have to cook for 200 people. How's it going there, Chef?
Good, really good. Oh, what a smell.
It smells
Great smell of onions and celery and garlic and butter. Okay, our onions and celery and garlic are ready. Now we're going to just pour this into a bowl and then put crab meat in there, a little bit of seasoned Italian breadcrumb, and some fresh parsley, and that's it.
Okay.
Just gonna put this in a bowl. Okay, we're gonna add our crab meat to it. We have a half a pound of crab meat, but you know, if you're making more mushrooms, just make a bigger mix. You know, pound of crab meat and
Double up.
and stuff like that. You put that in there.
Oh yeah, nice.
Smells
blue
good.
claw crab.
All right.
Say that 10 times fast.
Sometimes you're gonna find shells in there
Yeah, we don't want those.
because it's fresh picked. We're gonna add some fresh chopped parsley. It's a very simple dish to make. Okay, I'm gonna add a little bit of breadcrumb to tighten it up a little bit.
Oven's ready. What was that, about a cup?
Yeah. And if it's too, you know, what I did when I did these, when I did in Daddy Jack's for special or catering, if it's too wet, you can always add more breadcrumb to it. And if it's too much breadcrumb, you can just melt a little bit of butter and put it in there.
Okay. Good advice.
But I think this is perfect.
Yeah, it looks perfect.
Oh yeah.
Stuff the mushroom.
Ready to stuff. We're gonna start stuffing our mushrooms now. And you can use a cooking sheet or cookie sheet or whatever. Any kind of pan would do.
Yeah. Those look great already. That mix tastes great just by itself. I can imagine what it's going to taste like when it's all done.
Also, too, if you like just the portabella mushrooms, the big ones. I used to do a special like that also at Daddy
yeah.
Jack's.
That'd be good.
Stuffed with this same mix.
All right, down to his last mushroom.
Okay, here's my last mushroom stuffed.
Oh,
Now what I'm going to do is put a little bit of butter on each one, just a little tiny piece.
That'll make it brown up real good. Make it nice and crisp on top.
It's unsalted butter, by the way. Okay, we got our butter, unsalted butter, a little bit on top. And now we're going to throw them in the oven for about, I don't know, maybe 10 minutes. Okay, our mushrooms are almost ready. What I do is, you don't have to do this, but if you want to get them really nice and golden brown on the top, just turn on the broiler for a couple of minutes. But you got to keep an eye on it because that broiler is pretty hot. Okay, we're going to take our stuffed mushrooms out. They're ready.
All right. Oh my God. Look at that smell.
Look at how beautiful.
Oh, wow. That's beautiful. Throw some
Parsley on top.
Give it some color. Nice.
Beautiful.
Oh, wow.
Oh, baby.
All right. Let me zoom in on that a little bit. Oh, look at that. Nice, crispy, brown on top. The smell is phenomenal, folks.
Yum, yum. Okay, we're going to try these great looking stuffed mushrooms.
Oh, man. Those so good.
So, wish you were here to try this.
Beautiful stuffed mushroom. Wow.
Delicious. Can't get any better than that.
They're delicious, folks. You need to try this recipe. These are really awesome stuffed mushrooms. This won't be like anything that you ever had before. I can guarantee it. All right, thanks for watching the Brooklyn Brothers. And if you're not a subscriber, please go ahead and subscribe. Please hit that like button, and we will see you again soon. Take care.
Thank you. Bye-bye.